I'm going to take my car for the first time after getting it detailed. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? So right now it is 7:14. Now I'm just about to feed the animals. So this morning I woke up at 6:30. I've woken up like 3 times last night. I kept looking at my phone. It was 4:44 and then it was 6:14. Just couldn't fall asleep. So anyway, now I'm all ready. My mom's got today, tomorrow, and Thursday off. So I'm about to feed all the animals. Today I'm gonna take my car for the first time after getting it detailed. This is what it looks like after. Did an amazing job. All that was because I had the window cracked for the whole car to dry out. Yeah, there's a couple dirt spots there because of the window. I found out this morning that they forgot to do the pedal. It's alright. Soft. Looks like a completely different car than what it was. I'm gonna just have to sweep this out with my hand, just all this dirt. Like, this is one thing I wanted to get done, but I've never gotten to it. Like, all this was all black, and I didn't like that, so I'm gonna take it today and show it off. So now I am gonna feed the animals and watch me do it. So now I am going to go in the pool room, grab some chicken food, feed the chickens up front, feed the chickens in the back, and take the trash down the hill. That's why I had my phone out when I was at the red gate, because my trash alarm went off, because my trash days are Tuesday mornings. I will see you later. 8:02. Now I'm leaving the house to go to work. My mom was asking me for help a little bit. Since she got her neck injected, she was asking me for help. She's not supposed to pick up barely anything. So she asked me to help pick up some tires, put in the back of my dad's truck, because he's selling it today. Being sold, but we're gonna drive it over to. My mom's gonna drive it over to the dealership today. Taking my car. Look how nice and clean it is. I know I already showed you. So now I am gonna go to work and see there. You see what happened? I take my pants off while I'm changing, and my coat literally comes around the corner. I'm like, oh, is now a bad time? He just looks at me and laughs. Yeah, you want to see? Yeah. Yeah. 7:07. My friend and I are leaving work today. It's okay, except right now, it made my day. So what happened was, Mike, the mechanic, so I got my car detailed on Sunday. I brought an extra pair of clothes, so after work I can change, and keep the car clean. What happened was, this is my first time changing at work, outside, and what happens was, I take my boots off, and then I take my pants off, and Mike, the mechanic, literally comes around the corner, bad timing, without even me thinking of saying anything. I'm like,
Is now a bad time?
he looks at me and laughs, and he just walks away. So, that made my night. So now, I'm gonna go home and I'll see you there. Second, let's update you all, so thank you, my vloggers. So thank everybody for watching. If you did enjoy, please subscribe. It's my vlogs today, and have a good day. Goodbye.